don't you do it, baby? Why don't you do it, baby? Why don't you do it, baby?
How you doing, baby?
Do it again.
It's been a long time since I've seen you.
Why don't you do it,
You know
baby?
I miss you. So I wish you would just come back to these Hawaiian Islands, baby.
Why don't you do it, baby?
And just do it to me again, baby, one more time.
Do that to me one more time. Once is never enough of a girl like you. Oh, do that to me one more time. I can never get enough of a girl like you. Oh, kiss me like you just did. Oh, baby, do that to me once again.
When I first saw you, girl, yeah, the feeling was right. Remember when we first met on the beach that night? Yes, the sky was so dark, but oh so clear. I knew my time had come and true love was here. So I made my move and did my part. One look into your eyes, girl, you stole my heart. Yeah, you had to leave, girl, but I understand. You had to be your own woman and me my own man. So
that's that by me one more time. Once is never enough for my heart to hear. Oh, tell it to me one more time. I can never get enough while I got you near. Oh, say those words like you just did. Oh, baby, do that to me once again.
So if you ever change your mind, girl, I'll be right here, just waiting to hold you so tight and near, like close to my body and never let go. All fly local ladies, I gotta let you know, yeah, you got it going on, girl, in so many ways. The slightest touch of your hand drives me insane. My love for you, girl, will never disappear, even though we are apart. The true love is right here, baby.
Do that to me one more time. Once is never enough for my heart to hear. Oh, tell it to me one more time. I can never get enough while I've got you near. Oh.
I gotta let you know, girl, I really do care. No, it's not cause your long, black, beautiful hair or your beautiful eyes looking right in mine, and your lips looking rosy red all the time. I wanted you to have our kids to be my wife, but without you, girl, there's no need for life, cause you keep me going every day about the things that you do or whatever you say. Girl, you are so sweet, and yes, you got that touch. I need you so bad for love, girl, I'll never give up. Heinz and Capella, we in this. Aloha, brothers, peace.